Hello teacher, my name is Euler Chiles and this is my video about family. They are my dad, my mom, my sister and Nelp. We are family. My dad 47 years old and live in Tofino. My mom is 18 years old and like to travel. My sister 27 years old and as run in public administration. And my Nelp is 5 years old. It's studying at school. Thank you.